months on from the Africa Cup of Nations. CAF Secretary General Hicham El Amrani used the SoccerX Africa Forum to review the success and failures of the 29th running of the tournament. But he's also been looking ahead to next year's African Nations Championship, an event that only allows locally based players to compete. Organisers hope the concept will help further develop the game on the continent.
This is a product for us that is unique on the worldwide stage of football that we need to further promote, and that's why we came up with the tagline about Africa's home champions. We need to be proud of our playing level in Africa and to promote that level and to give an opportunity to the players to display their skills at the continental level.
The tournament offers a real chance for some of the continent's smaller teams to showcase their talent and for those teams to use the competition as a building experience. CAF are also looking to provide greater assistance off the pitch and having more input with the various football associations.
We need to provide the opportunity not only for the playing level to be increased and for the players themselves, but also from all the different organizational aspects that are needed in different championships to be improved, so that the game raises its level not only from, again, the technical aspect, but also from the organizational aspect and therefore from the commercial aspect, making it a more appealing product.
One of the issues that detracted from the Africa Cup of Nations were the poor attendances at many of the matches. That would appear to be an even bigger problem for Chan, given the lack of big-name players involved. But despite that, organisers are confident that they can create a big match atmosphere.
We are engaging right now with the local authorities and the cities hosting the games to engage the communities. Whether we are now finalizing the pricing of those tickets, but also we are going to provide a lot of complimentary tickets to different schools, different targets of people.
The race for Africa's 5 World Cup spots will shortly be decided. A question that has been raised, though, is whether Africa deserves more places at the tournament, especially given Europe has 13. It's an argument CAF appear ready to take on.
For us it's time, and we are always working very hard and pushing towards the CAF Executive Committee and its president to make sure that we don't have only one more, but much more, as much as possible, as early as possible. The more teams you have, the more chances you have of winning.
And if an African team can reach the latter stages of World Cup 2014, expect the calls for more African representation to increase. Dan Williams, CCTV, Durban.